My lord, I beg to mention item number 6, my lord.
Yes.
So here, my lord, I require to file rejoinder.
What
to the-
required? There's no stay.
My lord, there's no
What
stay,
happened?
my lord. My lord, that's why, my lord, the
Work is over.
No, it's still.
is it going?
Huh?
Work has
It's
been
going on.
awarded, my lord.
It has not been awarded.
But it has been
It's going
awarded.
on. It's 85 kilometers project.
Huh.
It's very tough.
Construction is going on, but of course, it's
what
of
is that?
no fruitful proceeding. But how? But since the
Try
profit-
some other tender. What's there?
Yes.
my lord, that's why, my lord, proprietor, my lord, the client, my lord, he's in outside the state,
I thought
undergoing
it's for-
treatment, my lord.
I
That's
thought,
why-
I thought it's for withdrawal.
My
This
lord,
thing next week.
my lord, that's why, my lord,
You obtained instruction.
Yes.
my lord,
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 7 here, Lordship.
my lord, I'll take instruction, my lord. Actually, this proprietor is out of this.
When it was awarded?
Slow.
19/7,
It's
Your
been how
Lordship.
many days or how many
19/7,
months?
2024, Your Lordship.
It's almost
1 year.
July,
almost.
my lord, it was awarded.
July. 24
Yes, yes.
July.
Yes, my lord.
Notice to proceed was issued on
Almost 1 year.
27.
Should. Huh?
So that's
What do you
why-
want?
2020.
My lord, can it list after 2 weeks, my lord? Because I could not contact the client, my lord. That is the
Okay.
problem. This is undergoing treatment
may-
outside this.
No, we'll not record it. You file whatever you want to file affidavit. I will reply, but we'll say only instruction.
My lord.
Or are you seriously pursuing?
My lord, that's why, my lord.
Okay.
He got.
Mr. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that. No, not submits. Praise for an is granted 2 weeks time to
Well.
obtain instruction.
My lord.
Lordship,
Yes,
better may
but-
fix that maybe.
Lordship, if I may pray, Your
After 2
Lordship,
weeks, we'll see.
My lord.
after vacation, Your Lordship, if possible, Your Lordship, 2 weeks.
My lord, they can, my lord.
Next.
My lord. They deeply. My lord, and also I beg to mention, my lord, item number 24, my lord.
Hmm.
Although it is order, my lord, here we have not yet received the pairwise comment from department, my lord. It's recently filed.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. Tithagam, Learning Council for the Learning
Standing
Council Education Department, and prayer not being objected by the Learning Council for the list this matter after 3 weeks.
Yes, my lord. Yeah, deeply.
So as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition. Yes,
My lord, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship.
5.
My lord, Mr. Panging, the leading counsel, is busy in attending his daughter, Your Lordship.
5.
Item
What
number
is
5.
What is this?
My lord, this pertains to cancellation of LPC, Your Lordship.
LPC.
Yes.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. MSD D. Thamulan Council for petitioners, is this matter after
After
3 weeks?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
My lord, there's an interim order operating here.
Interim order passed earlier. Have you taken consent?
Yes, Your Lordship, we have informed the other side. My lord, I also beg to mention item number 23, Your Lordship. My lord, may I pray that the matter may be listed on Monday or this coming week, Your Lordship.
Why?
My lord, Mr. Panging is supposed to appear in this matter, Your Lordship.
We'll see. It is for orders, we'll see. It's for orders, we'll see.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes,
My lord.
item 23.
Yes.
We'll see. It's
Okay.
listed for orders, we'll see.
Hello, I beg to mention item number 29.
20?
Yes, madam. 29.
29? Why?
I have some difficulty today, my lord. So
There's
matter will
nothing-
fix after 1 week. Madam.
Withdraw. If you want to withdraw it. Otherwise, no adjournment. What is there?
It's about enforcement, illegal enforcement.
What? Eviction has been issued.
Yes, my lord.
So,
So that is why, my lord, pleadings has been completed, my lord.
huh?
Pleadings has been completed.
That's
my
why listed for hearing. We'll hear.
lord. Tomorrow, my lord.
We'll not to do. There's nothing. You go through now. Are you busy today?
My lord, I
Are
have
you busy today?
difficulty today, that's why.
What difficulty? There's nothing. You are challenging the eviction order. First, there was an eviction.
Yes, my lord.
You
Eviction was,
file an appeal.
yes,
During the pendency, and then another eviction notice has been issued. Right?
yes, my lord.
So we'll send it back to decide your appeal.
Eviction was, appeal was already decided, my lord.
Hmm?
Appeal was already decided
challenging the
against me.
appeal.
Yes, ma'am.
You are challenging the appeal.
Yes, ma'am.
Then dismissed. You are challenging the decision, I mean, the order passed in the appeal.
Yes, my lord.
So, matter ends here. We cannot confer your right. It's a government land, admittedly. It's a government land.
That is your position, my lord.
Doesn't matter. You are an encroacher. You are illegal. You are possessing it illegally. Huh?
My lord, in that case, matter will be taken up.
Today.
If tomorrow, my lord.
Why tomorrow? When do you want?
Tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow will be other cases will be listed tomorrow.
1 week, my lord.
Not 1 week, tomorrow.
Yes. God bless you.
On the prayer of Mr. El Kurdal and Counsel for the list this matter tomorrow. On so and so. Tomorrow, i.e. 12th, huh?
Yeah, please, my lord. My lord, I beg.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 30, my lord, on behalf of DK Deori, my lord.
No adjournment. Why?
My lord, he's not well, so he could not
Hmm?
come. He's not well, my lord.
No, it is listed. We'll see. We'll see. Well, no adjournment. Hearing no adjournment.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I like to mention item number 7, Your Lordship.
7.
Yes. Your
Yes.
Lordship. I may be allowed 2 weeks time to file rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Reason.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the matter?
Matter, Your Lordship, here in this respondent authority has demolished my construction, Your Lordship,
Hmm?
building. Respondent authorities have demolished my construction, Your Lordship,
No.
building. And they have filed
Anyway,
counter affidavit.
on
with
the
regard-
prayer of Mr. E. Manjo, London Counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks,
Yes, Your Lordship.
so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply.
Yes, Your
Yes.
Lordship. Highly obliged.
Item number 27,
Yes.
I will given 1 week time.
Why?
I was supposed to this thing, obtain instruction,
Hmm.
but it's not yet reached me.
This is listed for orders. We'll see.
But actually, I was asked to obtain instruction.
Okay. Have you taken consent?
Oh, I
Just-
will agree, no
You
problem.
just inform. You just
I
inform.
didn't find the counsel. problem.
On the prayer of Mr. N. Lawang, London Senior Government Advocate. List this matter after 2 weeks, so as to enable him to obtain instruction. There was a direction of this court. to
Yes.
obtain, as directed by this court earlier. Huh?
Yes, sir. No, instructions were called for.
Huh?
Instruction was to solve.
Yes.
My lord, I could not obtain instruction, my lord, prior to contract the DDHC, my lord. Sir, my lord, since there's already interim order, my afraid can notice be issued, my lord.
This is,
Formal.
anybody, the respondent 6 has been appointed.
My lord, from reliable sources, they have been appointed, my lord.
So
There
this is
was
a conditional, it is provided in the meantime, if the respondent has been issued with appointment, the same would be subject to further orders that would be passed by this court. Are you happy?
No,
Are you happy?
My lord, since then,
I am nowhere, Lordship, that.
That's what I'm saying. Are you happy?
No.
I
ultimately,
thought
my
if
lord,
you have the instruction, we would have disposed of the matter. That's the reason we were asked to obtain the instruction. When?
my lord,
How it's possible?
my lord,
You have selected, you have appointed,
that's-
select
yeah.
list, his name, her name is there.
my lord.
And Lordship,
I
till today,
Have you,
I need some more time, my lord, because I tried.
have you communicated?
My lord.
Did you communicate
We
to
did
the
not yet,
authorities?
my lord.
Huh? You haven't.
My lord.
Have you communicated to the authority
My
for
lord.
instruction?
My lord, telephonically, I tried, and since it is the East Siang district, my lord,
Yes.
and concerned DDSC and deputy commissioner, they are the authority, my lord. So the director here, Itanagar, they cannot directly have a.
No, have you not communicated?
My lord, I tried to telephonically, I tried my best, my lord.
Then what did they
They're
say?
not picking up, my lord. That's the problem. Two numbers I have given, I tried my best. Once working and once not working. And
Tell them, no, I'm the standing counsel.
my lord, that is why, my lord. That is why maybe because of the health issue, my lord. That's why I want. That is because of that, my lord.
You are happy with the interim
No,
order?
no, Lordship.
Huh?
No, Lord, I'm not at all happy because I'm nowhere now, as in today. As I am told that respondent number 6 has already joined.
Then we'll vacate it if you are not happy.
Lordship.
Will be subject to outcome. Ultimately, if they succeed, my lord.
Disposed of.
That's the reason. That's the reason. By this time, even if it is not appointed, she would.
She has already joined.
Huh?
She has already joined.
Private respondents already joined.
Joined.
Yes.
Then nothing.
So that's why.
That's why,
Third,
Lordship,
Mr.
within a week, Lordship.
What
the matter will be disposed
Mr.
of.
Case section, learn counsel for the petitioner. What is this apology?
Apology.
How
Apology.
possible?
But just there was.
And Lordship,
You will have to
this apology,
compensate.
this apology is
You
deemed
will have to
cancellation.
compensate.
My lord,
The challenge made in this writ petition is to the so-called intimation cum apology letter dated 28/05/2025, passed by the DC cum DPD ISEC Samagra District Society, East Siang District, by which the appointment of the petitioner as what?
As a full-time teacher, English.
As full-time teacher within bracket English in KGB Type 3 school.
Yes, Kasturba Gandhi.
KGBB,
Kasturba Gandhi
page
Balika Vidyalaya.
28. Has been cancelled on the ground that owing to typographical mistake, the name of the petitioner has been inadvertently included in the select list in place of, instead of the respondent number 6, thereby tendered sincere apology to the petitioner for such inconvenience. List of issue notice to the respondents, returnable by 4 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
my lord.
As Mr. Titagum, London, Standing Counsel Education Department, entered appearance on behalf of state respondent, no formal notice need be served. To respondent number 1 to
2, 3,
5.
and 5.
1 to 5. 1 to 5.
My lord, 4 is deputy commissioner. Except
1,
4.
2, 3. And then in that case, Standing Counsel Education Department and Mr. N. London, Senior Government Advocate, correspondent 1 to 5, and there's appearance so and so,
What is
You have not taken a step
No,
because
not
they
yet.
not seen
What
what.
is four?
Mr. London Counsel for the
Oh,
petitioner
one,
to
four.
take steps for service of notice upon respondent number
Four.
6 by register for so and so, She has already joined.
My lord, it is my lord.
Otherwise,
My lord, ultimately, my lord, on record.
petitioner could have been allowed to continue.
My lord, that's why after perusing record,
Sorry.
ultimately, in the end of the day, my lord, if he succeed, my lord, if there's any irregularities, my lord.
You could have come earlier.
Yes.
Since he has joined, let us not
Your
complicate.
Lordship, I was waiting for the order of my
But
dismissal.
I'm sure if you don't get appointment also, you should be compensated.
My lord,
Take note of it.
my lord,
Obliged.
It's not done.
my lord,
You are making a mockery of your selection process.
my lord.
Cannot be permitted.
Obliged.
Declare, my lord.
My lord, this is service method.
Yes,
The petitioner is working as WC Kalasi regular
yes,
in the Department of Hydropower Project Development.
yes.
My lord, in this case,
Third, Mr. Will issue notice, that's all.
yes, my lord.
Which
Notice,
case
notice.
you are relying?
My lord,
Which case you are relying?
my lord, the junior have been promoted, superseding the senior, that is the petition.
Huh?
Respondent number 5 is junior to the petitioner. So he has
Okay.
been promoted, my lord, superseding the senior.
Okay, huh? Heard, Mr.
Your lordship, but for promotion, your lordship, trade test is compulsory, your lordship. Whether he has participated in the trade test or not, we don't know.
Why issuing notice? You are not
Yes.
passing
In
it.
the
to me.
result, your lordship, his name is not there, your lordship.
Huh?
In the result of the trade test, his name is not there, your
So-
lordship.
My lord,
He has not qualified, your lordship, I
correct.
think.
my lord, let us see the documents.
It's okay. We'll issue notice. You, well, your response, we'll see. We are
Alright.
not passing any interim order. Promotion already effected,
All right.
right? All right.
All right.
Challenge made in this writ petition is to the DPC minutes dated 03/12/2024 and the consequential promotion order,
Promotion.
consequential order
I am
dated
challenging
03/04/2025.
DPC as well as promotion order.
Where is that promotion?
My lord, the promotion order is at page number 26. Annexure 7, page number 26.
Issued by the superintending engineer, Coming Basin, Department of Hydropower Development, whereby as many as 20
Date is 03/04/2025.
WC 2020, WC staffs have been promoted to officiate as what? They are promoted
As mate, my lord.
to this is assistant operator to different grade
My lord, serial number 19.
for a period of 6 months. 19? What is 19?
Private respondent. In the promotion order, serial number 19.
Including the private respondent number 5.
5.
5 as MAT, mate, huh? On the ground that the respondent number 5 has been allowed to supersede the petitioner. Next para. MS. Will not record it, you keep it yourself.
Lordship.
I mean, with you to place on in your response.
Lordship.
Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As MS Arbasir London State Council entered appearance on behalf of respondent number accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 to 4. No
1 to
formal
4.
notice needed. I will accept of the department. Mr. So and so to take steps for service of learned counsel petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5. Huh? So and so. Huh? Yes.
All right.
What is this?
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this is regarding eviction order. Lordship, the petitioner before your Lordship is challenging the impugn eviction order.
Obviously, this is government land.
Government land, Lordship, now they are claiming this is as the government land since 2025 only. But Lordship, I have in possession, peaceful possession of the land since 2005.
Doesn't matter.
I have constructed the complainant, Lordship. May I humbly pray that my Lordship may appreciate
Where is the eviction?
fact-
Where is the eviction order?
eviction order, Lordship.
Impugn order. You are challenging the eviction notice. It is a notice or eviction order?
Eviction order is phase 48, Lordship, annexure 9. I am challenging from the show cause notice. I am entire proceedings. I am challenging the entire
What's wrong in the entire proceedings?
proceeding, Lordship. From the very beginning, I was not given an opportunity of being heard. Of course, though I have filed my reply since from the show cause notice. Even the impugn order, first eviction order, I have filed appeal also under section 12, but it was also not fairly considered. When I appeared before the authority, they said that we have received.
How it was not fairly considered?
Lordship, I have placed.
You are not heard.
Yes, I was not heard.
Is a hearing, a physical hearing is required.
Because Lordship, I could have.
Principle of natural, if you have given a chance to file and, I mean, on the basis it can be decided.
And Lordship,
With the requirement under the law that you should be physically heard.
and apart from that, Lordship, the complainant is the block library Kaing.
Doesn't matter.
But
They are saying that you have encroached the library, land of allotted to the library.
but at least, Lordship, I have in occupation of the land since
Doesn't
2005, Lordship.
What's right?
Then-
What right you have?
Then, Lordship, I have a right to fair consideration, Lordship. There is a government notification 2012, Lordship, who says that all the possession of the in government land has to be regularized, Lordship. And accordingly, I have applied for allotment in the year 2015, which is still pending before. And then, Lordship, I have constructed my RCC building structure since from the 2018.
These are all illegal construction.
Now only, Lordship, in the year 2025, they came up with an allegation that I have encroached the land belongs to the library, Lordship. But during entire process, the librarian, they don't have any documents also showing that the land belongs to them. They have the said land is allotted to them. But despite of that, Lordship, my entire reply appeal was also disposed of, dismissed, and passing this order.
Where's the appeal?
Appeal, Lord.
Dismissal of the order of the thing.
Appeal page 37,
30?
page number 37. This appeal has been prepared against the eviction order passed by the state officer on 16/4/2025. It was passed under section 5. So accordingly, I have filed an appeal under section 12.
30?
37, 37, my
Yes.
appeal application petition.
Then order?
Then despite of this appeal, it was again fixed on 6th June when I appeared. The officers, Deputy Commissioner Affiliate Authority, they passed this impugn order on 14th May by dismissing my appeal and upheld the eviction order passed by the state officer. Then pursuant to this order, again the impugn eviction order on 6th was passed on 6th June 2025. And thereby informed that my structure will be evicted or removed on 13th June. Lordship, may I take you to the government notification?
Where's that government notification?
Government notification at phase 30, Lordship.
30.
30.
Hmm.
31 is the type of copy, Lordship. This notification was issued by the Commissioner Land Management.
Yes, who is still this policy decision is still
Yes, Lordship.
exists. Are you following this? 2012.
This is I have to take instruction, whether it is being followed or not. No.
Hmm?
I have to confirm it, Lordship, whether it is being followed or not.
Will take after some time. You confirm it by now.
It might take time because
Hmm?
tomorrow,
Eviction will be day
Okay.
after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
day
Will be
after,
difficult.
then day after. No.
Huh?
Day after, we'll take it up.
Then day
after,
after tomorrow we
yes,
should take it up.
Yes.
Huh? Day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Eviction will be on.
Sir,
Oh,
it's
eviction,
very,
eviction,
it's a very, very
eviction
strange
starting.
submission.
I'll try.
We're staying this because of you. You are not interested to assist the court.
I'll do proper.
Heard Mr. K. Lolen, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the proceedings of entered proceedings of entered proceedings of eviction initiated against the petitioner, including the order of the Deputy Commissioner, Siang District, dated 14/05/2025, by which the appeal filed by the petitioner against the notice under section eviction order
Eviction order under section 5
under section 5
issued by the state officer.
issued by the state official and the consequential order dated 06/06/2025, by which the land occupied by the land, the government land occupied by the petitioner no, the petitioner shall be evicted from the occupied government land of the petitioner on 13/06/2025. It is by relying on the government policy dated 24/06, communicated relying on the government policy dated 24/05/2012 regarding regularization of all government land under occupation of private individuals, states and central government establishment and which has been taken as per the cabinet decision. Mr. K. Lolen, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the land in question, land measuring around
480 square
480 square meter. Where it is
at Kaing Town.
at Kaing Town, near Block Library,
Yes,
Kaing.
adjacent to the block library.
The petitioner has approached, has submitted an application for regularization of the said land as he is in occupation
Yes, since 2005.
since 2005
Five.
by constructing RCC building,
Yes, now
RCC.
RCC, initially.
RCC building. Mr. He submits that the he submits that the respondent authorities have not fairly considered the grievance of the petitioner, and by ignoring the policy decision as mentioned above, I've referred above, which is still in vogue, the authorities has purposely rejected the appeal as well as issued the impugned order and the consequential impugned order of eviction dated 6/6/2025. Mr. On the pointed query of this court, Mr. L. Leonard, senior government advocate, with regard to the policy dated 24, what is it, 24 so and so, 2012, huh? As to whether the policy
24/5/2000.
is still involved, not, he sought for a time to obtain instruction, considering above. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable by 3 weeks. Next paragraph. Pending placing of instruction as well as a response to the writ petition, the impugned order of what is that? Impugned orders dated 14/05/2025, passed by the Deputy Commissioner, and the 6/6/2025, passed by the Extra Assistant in charge I/C Extra Assistant Commissioner. Kaing shall remain suspended.
Replay of license.
Sir, button up your report. Is the latest trend.
No, sir.
It is the latest trend.
Sorry, Lord. Sorry, Your Lordship. If I may, Your Lordship. If I may.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this writ petition is filed under Article 226, where the instant petitioner runs a small business proprietorship at
If not under what article the writ petition is filed? If not 226.
business at Alo, Your Lordship.
Just tell
And
us,
yes, Your Lordship.
if it is not under article 226, under what article you would have filed the writ petition?
Under Article this 30, I guess.
30,
227.
227th.
27,
26 and 27.
and
And
so this is 226.
this is 226.
Okay, proceed.
The instant petitioner here, Your Lordship, runs a small proprietor's business at Alo, where after his GST registration due to
Yes,
non-filing
what
of
do you say?
return,
Lordship,
Similar
there are
orders.
yeah, this may be disposed of with the
Yes.
speaking orders, yes.
Similar order.
Yes, with direction to the
So-
respondent number 2 and 3.
What is the main, the order that Kisanu Bhartakur versus Union of India?
It's not annexed there, but I think they annex one order passed by this bench
It's
only.
a similar relief and then
Yes,
will
yes,
first,
yes, Lordship.
as the
Yes.
first in they are entitled to be the covered case of the
Yes,
so and so,
yes, Lordship.
huh?
Yes,
And then will first direction. Huh?
yes, yes.
Heard Mr.
Ketana.
Huh?
Ketana.
Ketana, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr.
Tea keeper, Tanya
Tea-
keeper.
Keeper,
Yes, Lordship.
learned counsel for the
CGST.
CGST. Respondent number, all the respondents.
Yeah,
No, no,
respondent number 2 and 3. One is a pro forma party.
respondent number 2. Yes, Union of India.
Yeah.
So in that case,
Not necessary party, madam.
anyway, it has been listed, we're disposing of. And also heard Mr. M. Katolan, DSGI, DSGI, Deputy Solicitor General of India, and Mr. T. Kipa, learned counsel for the CGST. For respondent number 1, 2,
Two and three.
2, sorry,
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Order is of 2019. Right,
This order. This is of that order they annex, it's of 2025,
25.
where it is?
Next F, Your Lordship.
page 27.
Page 27.
Yes.
Relevant paragraph, paragraph 5 and 6, Your Lordship.
No. You are, which order you are challenging?
The cancellation, registration cancellation
That's
order.
why it's of 2019 or 20.
Cancellation order is of 2019.
Yes, that's why I'm saying where you
Oh.
were.
To page number 23.
Where you were.
So I was thinking about this, the order, similar nature case.
You are waiting for it. Then you are a fence sitter.
No,
Do
I
you
was-
know, fence sitter will not get any, I mean, doesn't have a right.
No, yes. Sorry, Your Lordship.
Were you heard, have you heard about the classic, that thing, the American, that Rip Van Winkle? Rip Van Winkle. Have you
Yes.
read that?
I've heard about it.
Okay, you read it.
Yes, sure.
So that is the considering that the issue involved. No, not considering, next, is the issue involved is squarely covered by the order of the coordinate bench of this court. This present writ petition is taken up. And as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, this present writ petition is taken up for disposal at the motion stage. Next para. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the next para. Order number, page 15, You write order number ZA so and so dated 26/12/2019. Passed by the Superintendent of GST Pasigat Range, Arunachal Pradesh. Where it is?
Page 23,
Huh?
page number 23.
20?
Page number 23, Annexure B.
23. Is there any order of cancellation?
This order itself is a cancellation of registration.
Is it?
Yes, Lordship.
Whereby the registration, GST registration of the petitioner has been cancelled on the ground that the SAC, petitioner SAC had stopped filing GSTR -3B, page 23, huh? Returns for more than 6 consecutive months and also not responded to GSTR-3 capital A notice. Next paragraph. The petitioner is carrying a business under the name of Messrs. There is MSGB Enterprise with its principal place of business at Alo, West Siang District, Arunachal Pradesh. And with a registered has registered under Goods and Service Tax Act 2017, being registration number 12BRIP 6944 C1Z8 with effect from 27/01/2018. We'll get it on para 2, huh? This number, para 2, page 3. It is contended that since the petitioner registered himself as proprietor under GST Act, his login credentials was lost as the owner of the said cafe has closed his shop and no proper address was known. List of due to which the petitioner could not file his GST returns. However, the petitioner made a written application to the Superintendent of GST for change of his credentials on 05/04/2015. 25. It was cancelled in 2019. You have filed your application after, 5 years.
Petitioner, actually, your lordship, the petitioner was not aware of he had to file 0 nil returns also. That is the reason he didn't file or didn't go for this revocation. He was not even aware that he was.
The next paragraph. Petitioner was issued a show cause notice on 26/12/2019. With regard to the cancellation for not filing the returns within time and for a continuous period of 6 months. It is the contention of the petitioner that he was not aware of he was not able to access to the GST portal or even his emails as he was not, therefore was not aware of the, no, he was not, it is the contention of the petition that as he was not able to access to the GST portal and his emails, he was not aware of the issuance of the notice and consequently failed to submit his reply and to take steps for filing the returns. The petitioner somehow reset his login credentials through the help of the superintendent of GST and CX Pacific Range only on 06/05/2025. Thereafter, filed all the defaulted returns up to April 2020. I.e., up to the month in which his GST registration was cancelled, including the late fees, late fines, and the penalties required under the Act, as per the law. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner is, that has been accepted, not accepted. The default, the returns which you have filed, that has been accepted.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Submits that since the default returns which he has filed, which the petitioner has filed, has been accepted by the GST authorities up to the date of cancellation, the petitioner is ready to, including the penalties, the petitioner is ready to file the return with penalties to the remaining period
Yes.
if the the GST registration is what
Revoked.
revoked. Cancellation of the GST registration is revoked,
Yes.
right? Yes. He has placed reliance on the order of this court, order of the coordinate bench of this court, passed in WPC 7057 of 2024, within bracket, Krishanu Bhartakhud versus Union of India, bracket clause, and MS Yasung Yangpo, page 27, versus Union of India in WPC 70 of 2025. And submits that the coordinate bench of this court has, this court has also granted a similar relief to the petitioner in the above two cases. And therefore, similar relief may be granted to the present petitioner, as the above two cases squarely covers the case of the petitioner. Mr. Next para, D. M. Kato and Mr. Lenin DSGI and Mr. T. Kipa, Lenin State Council for the GST, have fairly submitted that the above two cases, in fact, would cover the case of the present petition. Therefore, they jointly submits that the writ petition may be disposed of, granting the similar relief to the petitioner. Then you write, having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties and also perusal of the order dated 03/01/2025 and 24/02/2025 passed in WPC 7057 public 2024 and WPC, but otherwise 70 of 2025, right? As well as considering the and as well as agreed to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. This writ petition is I'm of the considered view that the orders dated 24/07/2025 and 03/01/2025. This should be 03/01/2025, passed in the case of Krishna Bhartapur Sipra and Yasung, MS Yasung Yangpo, and the next Supra. Would cover the case of the petitioner listed accordingly. No, this. And accordingly, the petitioner would be entitled to be provided with a similar relief as granted in the above two cases listed. Experiment. In view of the above, this writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the we'll say superintendent.
Yes, Lordship.
GST. GST and what?
CGST. CGST and
CGST and
CX.
CX.
Yes,
Pasigat range
Yes, Lordship. Pasigat range.
shall implement the petitioner the total outstanding statutory dues, if any, standing in the name of the petitioner till the date of cancellation of GST ration and thereafter.
Lordship, actually they have paid already, I think, till the cancellation.
So it's not required.
Now after revocation, if that has been revoked, then from the revocation 2020 to till 2025, that nil return, if there is any charges, then only they have to file. Otherwise, all has been
in that
written.
case, we'll say the superintendent of CGST, and CX,
Yes, Lord.
Pasigat range, shall revoke the cancellation
Yes, Lord.
of cancellation of the registration, GST registration of the petitioner. And shall intimate the petitioner the total outstanding statutory dues, if any, thereafter.
Yes, thereafter the cancellation.
Thereafter,
It's April 2020 onwards.
standing in the name of the petitioner. List of Upon such payment of the statutory dues by the petitioner, the the respondent authorities shall pass appropriate orders. And restore the GST registration of the petitioner.
Yes.
The writ petition is still disposed of. That's all.
Yes, that's all.
Take it out. The revocation order, the number will be there, the cancellation, number will be there, registration number and. Right, don't miss it. Okay.
Highly obliged.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
My lord, I had to file rejoinder,
Why?
rejoinder. I could not file
What is the matter?
matter relating to service matter again, but
Regularization.
no, they are casual laborers. They are claiming for equal pay for equal.
Yes, we'll
work.
dispose it of. You allow. See, yesterday, the government lawyers, they have placed in that order of March where these skill and unskilled contingencies and all these contractual and all these things, they've been provided with the rates of monthly wages. I think that will be suffice because we find one case where there is a from say 1 to 5 years, how much they'll be paid. Minimum the 11,000 is there. I think that would be enough instead of going for all this minimum pay scale. That is, though it doesn't say minimum pay scale, the rate of monthly wages, that would be. Because even if you are penny scale, you will not get all other allowances, right? So on that, in that term, you approach the court, the respondent authorities, they'll definitely pay you. How many years you have been put in? How many years you have put in?
My lord, so many petitioners are here.
How many years? Say
Some of
10 years?
some of them, they have even crossed 20 years, my lord.
Yes, those who are above 25 years, they'll be getting 31,000. 20 years, some 25, 20,000, 18,000, something like that. Where is the?
My lord,
I have
On that basis,
epidemic.
we'll say, we're not saying that to provide that minimum pay scale. The existing is there,
Yeah.
right? Instead of the government has taken the decision to
Yes, sir.
provide.
We are
Is
providing
good
them,
that minimum pay scale.
yes, my lord. We are providing them more than pay scale.
my lord,
Yes.
even then, I may be allowed to file rejoinder.
No, we're disposing it. Other prayer is what? Regulation.
My,
Regulation also we're directing you to consider.
No, there is no proper regularization.
It is only for this.
Oh,
Then-
okay.
my lord, I'm not.
We'll not
claiming
say
for-
anything.
No,
You are
I'm
not claim for regulation.
No,
We
I'm
want
not
to,
claiming for
we want you to claim for regulation. We want direct them to regularize your service. You don't want. It's up to
My
you.
lord, in my prayer, I have not made that.
So you are only for minimum pay scale.
Minimum pay scale.
We'll pay,
It-
we'll
it-
record,
it-
we'll quote that order and we'll direct you approach as per this, you approach the authorities. On your approach, they will pay as per this order.
Well, my prayer is equal pay.
No. That is on the basis of that only. What existing says.
Well, I am claiming on the basis of appeals court judgment
Which apex court?
in Uma Devi case. And
It's long back. That has been.
no, another judgment is there. My lord. So many judgments are there.
There's
even
a
the-
2024 judgment, 2024, 25 judgment, clarifying the Uma Devi,
I have my lord, the judgment of even
whatever, going
This
back
court
to
was-
20 years back.
well, so many judgments I have.
So,
Even the
so many judgment is only one is required, existing in your case, then regulation and all these things, Uma Devi, and there's a latest judgment. Sir, what is that judgment? Tiwari sir, Jaggo, Union of India. Jaggo versus Union. Then the latest one, Jaggo, Bikramnath, Justice Bikramnath. Yes, that is clearly been given, that has been explained again and again, finally explained the Uma Devi. So I'm saying why you are relying on Romadevi, that has been explained, clarified.
My lord, Jagjit
Immediately
Singh-
after the 2026, that Asarani and other thing.
Jagjit Singh case is of 2017. It is similar nature case.
We are talking about 2024 and 25.
And my lord, on the basis of these two judgments, even the
You are working
Guwahati
as,
High Court has passed an order.
we are not.
Detective,
If
we-
your only grievances is for payment of minimum pay scale, Of what?
Equivalent to
what?
regular staff of.
What regular
lowest
step?
grade.
There is so many
Lowest
different,
grade, my lord.
different, what lowest grade?
Regular staff of lowest grade.
What is this?
My lord, the court, this judgment says, my lord, suppose,
This means
suppose there is a regular,
not suppose, in your case, what regular, lowest grade, what is the lowest grade?
my lord, regular, those who have been promoted from the casual staff to regular staff, that lowest grade scale, I am claiming here in this case.
Which is that grade? Which is that grade?
Regular staff, my lord.
What is regular staff? Which
Those-
grade?
No, those who have
Name of
been-
the grade?
No, my lord, those who have been regularized from the casual labors.
Sir,
They are regular,
we want to provide you, are you not getting
no,
the minimum?
no.
Have you, do you have, do you,
we are giving them more than.
have you have any idea on this latest order of the government?
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
My lord, that
lord,
will
see-
not cover my case.
My
my
lord, will you see, my lord, this is a 7 pay commission.
That
Level
will not
one,
cover my case, my lord.
basic pay is 18,000, my lord. We are giving them 19,000.
how many years you have put in?
My lord,
Some of them more than 25,
yes,
20 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Accordingly, you will get it.
my lord, that scheme of the government, it is not covering my case, my lord,
Why?
because it is less than that I am claiming, my lord.
No, sorry. Sorry.
But let me.
No,
file
you
rejoinder.
cannot force. You cannot force.
My lord, let me file rejoinder because.
Not rejoinder is not required. We're disposing it. What is your prayer? Let us see. Unnecessary. Why, how you will improve by your this thing? Affidavit in reply. Yes, are you not providing them this order, I mean, decision of the?
Providing, my lord. More than my basic, my lord. I think this case become impractical, my lord, in terms of this notification.
I think so. I'm not able to say how much they are getting, the lawyer, how much they're getting.
19,000, my lord.
Huh?
In terms of 7 pay commission,
Yes.
scale is 18,000. We are giving them more than 1,000. my lord.
Yes,
Now, in terms
you are
of,
getting more.
But that scheme is not covering what I am claiming in this petition.
You cannot, what you are claiming is the minimum pay scale of the lowest grade.
yes,
Suppose you are a casual
Lowest grade
employee.
of regular employee, my lord.
yes,
What you are? What is the pay scale of the regular employee?
Basic pay,
Lowest grade, you must know. If you don't know, there's no, I mean, you cannot claim on the air. You must know which cadre, which regular cadre, and what is the basic minimum pay scale they are getting. You
Yeah,
don't know.
my lord, I am.
What they are saying
my lord,
is,
I am saying,
it is the lowest grade which equivalent the regular grade they are getting the minimum pay scale 18,000. You have been provided with 19,000. That's all.
my lord, I am saying,
Let us.
I am working as casual labor,
So
and those who have been regularized,
give me
they
that.
are lowest pay scale, my lord. I am claiming for that.
Item number 9 is a lawsuit. It's on similar line.
if my lord give me 2 minutes, I explain.
Which
my lord.
one?
My lord, my lord,
There's nothing. No, don't explain. I'll come back to you. In fact, explain to him.
I've explained, tried to explain the epidemic, my lord.
One is a
No, you were not on that.
I'm coming later. I'm coming later.
Well, let us not complicate this matter.
No, I'm
Come on.
I'm taking lawsuit to the pay scale lawsuit. Third page. Third page. The recruitment rule lawsuit.
Third phrase.
Third page. Lawsuit file is column number 4 law.
Huh.
The pay lawsuit.
The minimum pay scale of the group C.
Where it is? Yes,
It starts from 18,000.
level in payment, yes.
They also kindly take us in order of yesterday, which I.
Yes,
placed.
where it is? Page,
Lordship, in item number 9 actually. Because I'm in.
where in item number 10?
Item
Eight
number
and eight.
8 and 9.
8 and 9. Okay, similar,
Similar.
different department, that's all. Different two departments, one is power department, other
Yes.
PHE. Yes, yes.
Lordship, can you see? Then no,
In my case, my lord,
In
in
item
item
number
number
eight.
8, my lord.
Again, you said
no,
item
no,
number
in
9.
item number 9 also it's ended, in item number 8 also it's ended.
Okay, page
Page 91, Lordship,
of the writ petition.
of the read petition.
Affidavit of-
Affidavit filed by 1 to 4.
Where is the affidavit? It's here. 80,
91, Lordship, page 90. Affidavit filed by respondent number 1 to 4.
90,
91. 91.
yes.
Lordship would file unskilled,
Yes.
they are getting. As in when they are joined, they join, they are
Yes.
getting 18,000.
No, 1990.
My lord, it is not covered in my case.
Unskilled, Lordship. And the skill.
I am
gets
get, I am
19,000
getting,
per month, Lordship.
I am getting whatever under this.
When did you
scheme is-
file this writ petition? 2024, right? All right, and this page 91 is of 2025. See, look at,
No,
this
that
is
is-
more than
that
enough.
is-
It doesn't say minimum pay scale of the lowest grade, right? Minimum pay scale of the lowest grade, but then though it doesn't mention it, it is just an enhancement of minimum rates of wages, monthly wages, right? Ultimately, you are getting in fact more than what you are claiming.
No, my lord. No.
See, if you are provided minimum pay scale of the lowest grade, how much you will get? See, pay
Well,
scale is 18,000.
My lord, without concerning when one has joined, all have to give amount of money equal to the lowest grade of the same cadre.
That's what I'm saying. You are,
That I'm claiming.
government is providing you more and you are claiming less. If you don't with this, it just only say that it doesn't, it's a difference is you have been provided more benefit than what you are claiming or what you are entitled as the existing case. It's simply that it has not mentioned the minimum pay scale. It's just an enhancement, right? Suppose there are 10 petitioners, right? One is working for 5 years. He'll get 18,000 minimum. 0 to, for the first appointment to 5 years, 19,000, right? 19,000.
Unskilled 18,000 and skilled also 19,000.
Yes.
My lord, I need to reply this, so I may be granted time to file rejoinder, my lord. Because this document they have annexed with the affidavit. So I want to reply that.
You argue that. I'll decide. You argue. There is no question of reply. You argue.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
Item 9 and 10, huh? 9 and 10.
8 and 9.
8 and 9.
8 and 9.
We'll
My
decide.
lord, in item number 8,
Hmm.
there are 45 petitioners.
Yes.
And they have joined in different years and dates.
Which year?
Different, my lord.
Ranging from,
Some of them they have.
not
just-
some of them, you just say, ranging from first, then last. How many years they put in? Kindly.
My lord, for that, I have to see Annexure 1.
They say, list for admission, we'll dispose it of. No,
Annexure
no,
1, I have to see, my lord. This is a list of the casual staffs. My lord, then let me come to the judgment that I am going to
What
rely.
judgment?
Yes, my lord.
What is your case? You have not submitted. First you submit on facts, then come to the law.
My lord, I am claiming for equal pay for equal work. The casual laborers.
It's a settled position of
My
law
lord,
now.
my lord, let me make my submission. Casual,
And I know the law. When you don't know law, what the question of making a submission on that? First you let us understand the facts.
my lord, even in my petition, I have written that the casual laborers,
Yes.
those
15 minutes.
those casual laborers
Yes.
who are working together as casual laborers,
Yes.
and some of them, their services,
Yes.
and even after regularization,
Yes.
they are performing the same duty, my lord.
Yes.
Suppose one was a casual laborer,
Yes.
he was lineman, suppose.
Okay.
Even after regularization, his work is lineman.
Yes.
So I'm saying that they are performing equal works. The casual laborers and the regular employee, they are performing equal works, same nature of works. So
Are
this-
they disputing that?
yes, my lord.
That you are not performing this?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
That is why I need to reply them.
Yes.
Because they are saying,
Don't reply. Don't
my lord, so
Don't
many
even,
things-
don't even, I have clearly indicated you that no adjournment, we're hearing you finally will decide the matter.
my lord, in the
And this will definitely in the interest of your client, the petitioners, right?
yes, my lord.
May not be very pleasant or may not be may not be palatable to some person, but it will definitely for the interest of your client.
My lord. My lord, as I have said now,
You just tell us there are 45 petitioners in item 8. First, the petitioner who have been appointed earliest and the last. You just let him find out.
my lord, that will take time. I have a list, but
What it is, so?
I have not marked. I have a list, page number 20, page number 24 to
Yes.
28.
You mark it.
But I have to verify which serial number is which petition.
Let us see.
So that will take time, my lord.
Let us see. Take your own time.
Petitioner number 2 is the lordship. He is the oldest one.
Which year?
He was appointed in the year 1994.
1994.
1994 as a Peter.
Yes.
At serial number 8.
So this is in terms of seniority. 88 is also there.
Seniority list only.
Okay. Yes,
And-
then 88 up to.
And he has completed lordship 31 years.
Ah.
And from serial number 17 to lordship 37 lordship.
See, that is the reason I said, as per
No,
this
no.
order, if he has completed 30 years,
My lord, for short,
just try to understand. If one petitioner, for example, completed more than 25 years, he will be getting 31,000, right? Per month. You are seeking 18,000 for that.
no,
If I go by your submission,
no, my lord.
minimum pay scale includes all these allowances and all those things. Do you think so? Do you think? Is it your submission?
My submission is, my lord, the equal pay. with
Sir,
the
more
lowest-
that only I said equal pay for equal work. The praises has not been used in the order of latest order which they have annexed page 91. It's an enhancement. A person is getting 31,000, for which you are seeking for 18,000. What would be which one would be more beneficial? 31,000 or 18,000? If we go by Jagjit Singh,
My lord,
if you accept your submission, this person will get 18 irrespective of length of service which he has served.
my lord, if petitioner gets 31,000, irrespective of when they have joined.
No. then you will get 18,000.
My lord,
That's why they have it's on the pay scale.
my lord,
Minimum pay scale, what do you mean?
my lord, my claim is irrespective
Yes,
equal pay, said more than 30,000, they are getting.
I'll record it.
Yes, my lord.
But I'll not accept your record, but we're providing more, in view of this, providing more benefits to your client.
No, my lord.
You can submit, in against your own, the entitlement of your client.
My lord, I'm,
According, see, then for a moment, you tell us, according to you, how much they should get.
regular employees, they are getting more than 30,000, my lord. And I am claiming,
Scale pay, so as the minimum pay scale, so as.
no, scale pay, I cannot say no, my lord.
They have annexed the recruitment. This is the recruitment rule. We'll go by this 7th pay commission.
My lord, I am not,
According to you, equal pay for equal work.
yes, my lord.
Agree. Minimum pay scale, how much?
More than 30,000, my
How? How?
lord. Practically, they are telling me that regular employee are getting more than 30,000.
They may regular employee, they must be getting 1 leg, 2 legs. You are not entitled as per the law. As per existing, you are entitled in minimum scale of pay. What do you mean by minimum scale of pay? It's not the minimum pay they are getting. Read existing. Para, do you have that?
Yes, my lord.
Para, which para? Para 54,
Epidemic.
61, my lord,
61.
Epidemic.
What do you mean by minimum pay scale of pay? You are asking full pay, not the minimum scale of pay. Regular.
Minimum
Scale
scale
of
of pay
pay.
of regular employee of same.
Yes. That is how much? What is the
it
minimum
would
pay
be more-
scale of?
I'm saying it would be more than 30,000.
Your imagination will go by the rules and the what is the minimum pay scale according to you? Not simply saying it should be more than 31. That don't do, sir. Just try to understand.
But, I have to take time for that also.
There is no questioning time. It's as per the rules.
No, that is
No.
a scheme, my
It is not a scheme, sir. Rule.
lord.
It's a recruitment rule of 2019. Isn't it?
Well, they have annexed with the.
I think you have a misconception on the minimum pay scale. Serial number 4. Just read. Pay method. Just read. Serial number 4. From top.
Of recruitment.
Not method of recruitment. I think that's third
Serial
just
number
sorry.
method of recruitment.
Seasoned lawyer. Senior, not that you're a senior seasoned lawyer.
My lord.
Do I need to tell you what is the minimum pay scale?
Level 1 in pay matrix, rupees 18,000 to 56,900.
Basically.
See, tell us if you want full pay scale, a full pay of the regular employee. Then you submit. And of course, which cannot be accepted since you are relying on Jagdish. According to you, you are seeking full pay. Your duties and responsibilities are equal. That is what you are saying.
Yes, my-
That is not the law.
my lord.
That is not the law.
My lord,
what
it is-
Jagdish Singh
it
says
is
so.
set position of law, my lord.
Settled position law is what? Read para 53 or 61, something like that. Jagdish Singh, you are relying on Jagdish
Yes,
Singh.
yes, my.
Read it, please. Now, yeah, 2017.
I play one judgment of that.
I am relying on para 61, my lord.
Jagdish Singh.
Jagjit Singh case, para 61, my lord.
61.
61.
Please read it.
para 61, my lord. In view of the position expressed by us in the foregoing paragraph, we have no hesitation in holding that all the temporary employees concerned in the present bunch of cases would be entitled to draw wages at the minimum, at the lowest grade in the regular pay scale extended to regular employee holding.
That is what I'm trying to tell you. Minimum pay scale of your the regular employee,
Yes, ma'am.
which to you. But accept that you are working, your duties and responsibility, everything is equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Is in your case 18,000.
Pay scale is.
Yes, for minimum pay scale.
Mm.
Pay scale. Then now by this order,
Mm.
March 2025,
Mm.
the person who is appointed and working from 0 to 5 years,
Mm.
initial from 5 years up to 5 years, they'll be getting 18,000
It is, I think,
for unskilled, right? And for skill 19,000.
it is not scale, my lord, I think. It is full pay, not scale, my lord.
What do you mean by you will be provided with the wages? Employees concerned in entitled to draw wages at the minimum. The pay scale cannot be given a pay. Yours is wages.
Now, if lordship is.
Yours is wages, sir.
I agree, my lord. If minimum, I agree with that.
There's no question of agreement. This is
But if says is monthly pay, then
dispose of. Dispose of will provide. You say that although it doesn't particularly use the word the minimum pay scale or equivalent to so and so, it doesn't use the word, but then it is as good as akin to providing you a minimum pay scale. Rather, by this order, some of the employees who have rendered many more services, they've been given better facilities, more beneficial than the judgment provided in the case of Jagjit Singh. I'll provide that. And you will direct you to approach the respondent authorities for payment as per this order, if not already paid. That's all.
obliged.
All right.
All right.
Happy?
Pay scale may be kindly mentioned. I'm very happy, my lord.
You will confuse every one of us. I started confusing what is minimum pay scale. So I have to ignore your submission.
All right.
All right.
All right. Yeah,
We'll pass that. Otherwise, you'll know. I could have dictated it because otherwise you will disturb your colleague.
Yeah, my lord, I have raised two issues, my lord. Firstly, regarding the construction of this water supply to the Alo township,
Yes.
impact that will have on the downstream farm.
Did I take up this matter?
My lord, I don't think they are.
I mean, on a
Far
light,
such.
on a lighter
No, my
note,
lord,
on a lighter note,
my lord,
we're striving for the water.
my lord,
That all
then, my lord, that's why I'm not against the project as such, my lord. What I'm seeking for is the equitable at least distribution. And for that, I would not have approached this court had there been the authority that is provided under the Act, man. There's no authority as such. There's an act which provides for the authority and a board. It's absent, man. It's not there. That's a difficulty, man. So downstream people, my
That
lord,
has been, the rule has not been framed.
It
Or
seems
there's
so.
no authority?
No authority, my lord. The act is there, my lord, otherwise. And in fact, on,
What is their response?
my lord, in fact, on 5th, on the 8th of direction to bring instructions or to file an record regarding the authority, my lord. But it has not been done. And in fact, only the executing agency, PHE, my lord, of Alo division, my lord, they filed a affidavit, my lord, stating, reiterating the report that was prepared by the executive engineer, my lord, which we are disputing in fact, my lord.
So what is your ground? See, if you are not against the, the scheme as such, why you are, how you are aggrieved of this, not constituting an authority under the act?
No, no, my lord, what is happening is, as per this project, my lord, that 70 lakhs liter per day,
77.
77, man. MLD is 77 lakhs liter
Okay.
per day.
Ah.
That much amount of water is being taken away. Man. So, of course, there are 7-8 villages facing water scarcity. Our prayer, my lord, basically is for equitable distribution. At least we should be, there should not be shortage as such, my lord. And now, of course, it's difficult to decide also, my lord. But otherwise, since the authority, my lord, which would have been headed by the chief secretary, my lord, it's not there, my lord. We're facing this difficulty. Now, my lord, today may I pray, my lord, that let there be some fact-finding committee or verification headed by the chief secretary. That may be constituted.
No, before that, what we do with this authority when there's an act and when there's no authority as such?
My lord.
What do you say on that?
No, that's why I'm here, my lord, today. That's what I'm saying, that since they are not there, if the authority was there, I could have gone there, my lord. And they could have ensured that this doesn't happen, my lord. If you take away all the water
Okay,
for
that's
drinking.
the reason you are before this,
Yes, my lord.
by way of writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise, on merit, there's no issue.
Issue is there, my lord.
Is there
Merit
any
also is.
provision under the act that without having this authority, they cannot have this kind of scheme and project like this?
No, it is not there.
It's not.
It's not there. But the authority could have
But
looked after the equitable distribution of water so that water is properly used among all the source of persons or professions, my lord. Used for say drinking water for agriculture. The authority could have looked into to ensure that there is an equitable distribution of the water. Because here, my lord, the verification, we raised a complaint also, my lord. We raised a complaint, my lord, earlier, my lord, before the authorities, my lord, district administration, my lord. Then a committee was formed, my lord, which was in fact headed by the PHE himself, which is the executing agency, my lord. Now they say in the report that there is enough water, and subsequently in addition they say take immediate measures for the irrigation purpose, my lord, which is contrary, my lord, to the finding and the recommendation, my lord. These two are contrary to each other.
It's a law directed to produce the notification,
My lord.
publish Arunachal Pradesh Gazette, and to apprise this court about the effect of the Arunachal. Yes, yes.
Lordship, in this one, it is not exactly this, but then Arunachal Pradesh Water Supply Act is there, Lordship, 2000.
What is this, 2006?
And Lordship,
What about 2006?
6, Lordship,
There is no act like this.
Lordship, this is Lordship, this one, Lordship, National Water Policy 2012.
No, policy is showing this. Arunachal Pradesh Water Resources Regulatory Authority Act,
2006. It's in
2006.
volume 9. AP code volume 9.
Oh, Lordship.
9.
In fact,
What
on
we
the
have
fifth
said-
of
No,
May,
what I'm saying is on 8/5/20,
yes,
court has directed them to place the notification published in the, this is published already.
Yes, Lordship,
my lord,
that's why.
To apply
this is,
commission.
the act would come into force from the date of its notification in official gazette, my lord, and that's why the instruction was so. As of now, we don't know whether this act is in force, my lord. And
This-
that's the reason why on 5th of May and as well as on 8th of May, that direction was given. Now we have inquired, this authority does not exist, my lord.
No, no, what about the gazette notification? Whether the notification is published?
No,
Page-
that was
page-
the, that was the direction to the learned government advocate,
No, no, it is page, which page?
198.
198. Yes,
Lordship, that part I will,
it should come into force on the date as the state government by notification
Yes,
of
ma'am.
which gazette. Appointed different dates may be appointed for different areas and for different section of this act.
That,
It was given
That-
5th
that
of,
I
5th of
will-
June.
that part I will, Lordship, again, I will, I may be given some time. Otherwise, Lordship,
Oh, sorry.
what we have said in this one is, this water augmentation was started in 2021, Lordship, and is
No,
in
no,
the
we're
path
not,
of
we're yet to,
completion.
we're yet to go into that merit. What we're trying to, I mean, understand why this act is required to be, I mean,
Lordship.
put in here and so this, you are directed to place the notification.
Yes, Lordship.
my lord. On 5th, my lord, there is a direction to take instructions, and on 8th, my lord, on the prayer, my lord, direction was given to file affidavit.
So you have, it has slipped from your mind or what?
No, Lordship, I have written to.
It's 1 month back,
Yes.
1 month back, 8/5. No, no, 8/5,
8/5,
1 month back,
yes.
more than a month. Today is 11.
10 days more time.
Has it got slip of your, from your
No,
mind?
Lordship, I have already,
Then, no, simply you have to say, as per this order, you have to place the official, I mean, the gazette notification,
Lordship,
whether this has been published or not.
yes.
And whether this functions, my lord, because if this functions, my lord, we can go directly there, my lord.
Huh. So it will not be maintainable.
It, otherwise, it will, might be maintainable, but to that aspect, my lord, because this is a dispute regarding the entitlement of water. And the better forum would have been this authority, my lord. But since it is not there, we have nowhere else to go.
You place it day after tomorrow. Whether it is published, no published,
Lordship,
My lord.
black
is
and white,
let it be on,
Tuesday.
yes, Lordship.
And then on merit, you say.
Lordship, that's why it's in
See,
the
you
part
have
of
to balance,
completion, and then what we say is that the petitioners are in nowhere related to this water project, Lordship. And who have given NOCs and these ones are different. They are from different this ones.
so the water you are seeing to, I mean, have a project in that, it has nothing to do with this
Yes, Lordship.
petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
It is your stand.
Yes, and then Lordship.
It's
what?
upstream, my lord. We are downstream, my lord. We were
No.
never informed that thing, my lord.
No,
As per the RTI information also, no survey. They took some NOC from near. We are downstream, my lord. We did not know about this, my lord.
Who is the
And
owner of this
this-
water?
tapping of
Owner,
water,
my lord,
they are not,
owner is a
they are
different
not
issue.
related to the land.
So what
also,
they are
but
saying, they are using this water for irrigation since time immemorial.
Lordship, for that, what we
Once
have
it is
said is-
taken away, they will be deprived of this water. Otherwise, nowadays, there's a scarcity water everywhere.
there are system for poor river.
We see that every stream, rivers are, I mean, drying off slowly.
That also we have said they are not
They are
related.
not the owners.
Yes, Lordship.
If you are not the owners and if it doesn't,
And in the
nothing to
part
do
of
with how you are
competition, they
acting.
My lord, we are, my lord, I'm not saying that we are the owner, my lord, but we are affected because we are downstream. We rely on this water, my lord, for agriculture purpose, my lord. And around more than 100 families, my lord.
Are they using it?
No, Lordship, we have also shown that the out of 560 MLD, Lordship, for the drinking water, we are only taking 7.7 MLD, Lordship. Out of
Let us do one
560
thing.
MLD.
Next Wednesday, we'll take it up. If you want to file, we are trying to dispute your claim. Maybe correct or maybe
This is for
not
public
correct.
interest only.
Yes,
drinking water,
whatever.
tapping.
You file also
water
your
is-
reply. Have you filed the reply?
No,
My
Lordship.
lord, it was filed on this affidavit was filed only on 6th, my lord.
Okay, you
But
filed
on
the
that day,
reply.
my lord, due to paucity of time, it was not taken up.
Ah,
But the same stain, my lord, is in the verification report, my lord, which we are otherwise impugning in this matter. It's the
no,
same.
it's up to you. I'm just
My-
saying
my-
for your if you are
my lord.
file, and on that day you just place this notification
Lordship.
whether it's published in the official gazette or not. That's all.
And Lordship, above all, Lordship, out of 43.75 crore, already 31.84 has been expenditure has
Okay,
been.
it's okay.
spent
I'm
already.
not saying that project should be stopped. Even I'm not even saying that, my
Project will not stop the project.
my lord.
They are also not seeking of they want something, some solution way out,
My lord.
so that they are not different
For that we are saying they are not related.
for their irrigation.
Lordship.
On the prayer of MSG at Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, list this matter on Wednesday. Next is what? 18/03/06/2024, on which date the Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate shall place the copy of the notification published. The notification published in the notification copy of the notification as published in the official gazette with regard to the Arunachal Pradesh Water Resources Regulatory Authority Act. Endeavor shall be made to dispose of the matter on the day.
My lord, may I pray, my lord, that instruction, whether along with the notification, whether this authority is functional or not, my lord, that instruction will also be taken.
To obtain instruction as to whether any authority is authority has been appointed under the act, whether it is functional or not. And to its whether it is functional if appointed. What are the post of those under the act?
My lord, there's a chairman and other members also, my lord. Chairman is headed.
A commission, kind of commission.
Chairman is by the chief secretary, my lord.
It's a commission.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
It's a
committee or
board is there.
board. Okay, water board. Okay, we'll try to dispose of
Lordship.
on that day.
My Lordship, I beg to appear virtually, My Lordship, for the petitioner. My Lordship, one of the prayer is the challenge to the notification issued by the government, My Lordship. The coordinate bench of this Honorable High Court has already set aside that notification, and the consequential order was also set aside, My Lordship. And whereas the review petition filed by the government has also been dismissed, with the remarks that the original decision stands hold good. Your Lordship, in light of that, my prayer is now been already been decided by this Honorable High Court. So the same may be given to my case also, my Lord, that consequently the impugned order has to go, my Lord. It was raised under the GST, my Lord. My Lord, the 143, my Lord, is the relevant order, my Lord, of this court. 149. 149, Annex 13, my Lord.
My lord, in this case, I am appearing for the respondent, my lord, but I have yet to
Yes.
obtain instruction, my lord. So, my lord, short date may be given, my lord, for that.
My Lord, it's coming third time, my Lordship.
I'm not getting anything. It's very difficult.
Respondent is seeking time.
My Lordship, may I clarify, my Lordship?
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. M.K. Bro.
My lord.
M.K. Bro, learned standing counsel for
CBIC.
CGST and CX.
CGST.
Further, 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction. All right.
My Lordship, as the last chance, my Lord, because it's the third time.
Mr.
my Lord.
Prasad.
Yes, my Lord.
Mr. Prasad.
Yes, my Lord.
We cannot force you, but then it's better you come physically and argue the matter on the next day, right?
I definitely I'll try, my Lord. I'll try.
I request you to come physically. It would be better. It's very difficult.
Sure.
Yes, Mr. Boro.
My
Less
lord.
after 3 weeks.
My lord.
Obliged.
What you have decided?
My lord, apart from my lord, prolong jail, my lord, my another ground is, my lord, the age, there is no documentary evidence regarding the
Why
age.
not married? That will be a matter of trial, sir. Twice it was rejected. Once it was rejected by this court.
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
Then there is no, new ground. Sir, it's very difficult. Better you by that time. Better approach the special judge. Because after the rejection, there's a change, there's no change in circumstance except for what is the stage now?
The victim has been examined, man.
That's all.
Yeah.
You approach once. Because see, now it's a matter of the fair trial, right? So that would be the best court would know, would be the special judge. You are claiming that you are residing in Polo Colony, right? Admittedly, you are not permanent resident. So there you can have that kind of surety and all those kind. It's very difficult. It's also very difficult. There's one other. The second thing is there's no change in circumstances. Once wrongly or rightly it has been rejected. We'll have to go to Supreme Court. You approach the trial court. If it is not, well, come back by the time.
Yeah.
I'll give you a liberty. Otherwise, I'll be rejecting it. Again, this will again it will be a hurdle for you approaching it. Of course, they said even Supreme Court and High Court grants bail. Consequential, the a change of circumstances, other thing, the trial court has the authority to look into it. Right? But then it's practically they would not. Once, twice it will be rejected. Because I don't see any ground. That's why this has been fixed today. It will be rejected.
Yes, my lord, we can leave out the-
I am not impressed. All right. So you will withdraw with the liberty to approach,
Yes, my lord, otherwise.
or otherwise I'm dismissing it, rejecting your thing.
Okay, my lord, then we can leave out the-
Mr. N. Pada, learn counsel for. I'm not forcing you. Huh? Otherwise, there's no ground for granting bail. You'll have the same fate. There's no change in circumstances, nothing. Serious matter. You are not a local from here on these things. And what is the statement of the victim?
Victim, death for at this station. I'm not aware.
You can, that can be, that may be a help to you also. It has been examined
Yes.
in the court. All right. In the court.
Yes.
Mr. Enpada, the counsel for the applicant. After arguing the matter at some length, praise that he may be allowed to withdraw his bail application with a liberty to approach the learned special judge. No, learned. As per the order of this court.
Acquisition, yes.
What do you want? What the court says? What is
And
the
regarding
direction?
the past position of the hiring, which they have deposited to the
Huh? What
past
is the-
position of the hiring, which they have deposited to the deputy commissioner, has not been disbursed actually. This is my
Sir,
concern only.
What
sir.
is the order of this court?
My lord.
Consider same this one as per the direction similar to the one passed in WPC and once the petition entitled for. What is this? What is this order dated 27/01/2017?
This was just for acquisition, directing to
Then you
acquire.
have
Yes, this land has acquired and payment has been made. But here, past position, which amount has been
in
deposited?
which? Huh?
Regarding the past position of the rent, which has already been deposited to the deputy commissioner, as mentioned in their additional affidavit, has not been disbursed till.
Where is the direction? Where is the direction of this court?
Regarding the rent.
Past position.
No, there is no such
Then?
direction. But since they have
Sorry.
mentioned in the affidavit, so
Heard Mr. Swain.
I'm concerned that-
Counsel for the petition. Both the petition, item 13 and 14.
regarding the 14, my lord, they have approached the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has passed some order which by rejecting.
Of what? This is
Uh,
a separate matter. Why is
Yes,
listed together?
separate matter, but
Then item 13, we're closing it. It has been complied.
okay.
Huh? Heard Mr. Swain, learned counsel for the petitioner.
This may also be closed.
And Mr. Huh?
14 may be closed. It was already this Supreme Court has dismissed the order passed by this Honorable Court.
One after one. Huh? Item 13. And Mr. Who submits the order of this court? Which order? Eighteen 12/2019, right? Huh?
1812 to 2019, yes. Passed in WPC.
18/12/2019, passed in WPC
180
180 AP 2019 has
19.
already been complied with. Mr. N. Pada Land Council for list container number
Item
Four.
Number
4 is present. Accordingly, the contempt petition is changed closed.
Regarding this amount, my lord, which they have deposited.
There is no direction. One day you come up, you may, if you have not been paid, you may come up. You may approach the deputy commissioner if it has been deposited. Yes. And item 14,
14, the order passed by this.
that has been set aside by Supreme Court.
However,
Against you.
some relief have been given.
Okay. And Mr. So-and-so, London Council for the petition, who fairly. No, by so-and-so, by placing the. No, not placing, who fairly submits that the order of this court, as well, this court. The order of, or judgments and order of the learned single judge as well as the division bench of this court has been set as the Honorable Supreme Court in civil appeal number 7042 to 7044 of 2025. Mr. So-and-so, Father said is present. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands dismissed and disposed of. Yes. You could have said. IA, this will be in view of the closure or in view of the disposal of the contempt petition, IA extends closure. Huh? All of them. Huh? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
In this case, my lord, I was directed to serve the service notice to trustee, my lord. Accordingly, I have served, my lord, but I could not place that on record, my lord.
You filed an affidavit.
My lord, I'll file.
Office note dated 10/06/25 indicates that no affidavit has been filed with regard to the proof of justice service upon respond number 3. On the prayer of Mr. L. Melan Counsel, 2 weeks, a week's time is granted to take steps.
We have served also, my lord. I'll file
No,
this
to-
brought
to-
out, that
for-
on record, my lord.
For appropriate steps. We'll just say appropriate steps, including the
Interim, my lord,
amend so and so is present. P. Pangolan is still respond is present. Interim order request shall continue.
my lord.
My lord, here we have filed our affidavit of opposition.
You have filed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So what is to be done? What is the matter?
Matter is,
So list for admission here.
yes, madam.
All right. Heard Mr. El Kurdu, learning counsel for the petition and Mr. Why Ramlan counsel and state counsel for respondents. Pleadings are complete. List for admission is after 2 weeks.
Madam. Oblige.
2 weeks or 3 weeks?
2 weeks, madam.
2 weeks. Yeah.
My lord, interim may be continued.
Interim order for celebration. 17.
My lord, the original documents that are being placed. And my lord, draft issues, we filed draft issues yesterday.
Yes.
They have given their copy to us today.
Ah.
It seems,
Is there any difference?
my lord, obviously difference is bound to be there. Otherwise, unanimity is very difficult. Actually, my
So
lord,
at
so far as
least-
we
at
are
least-
concerned, so far as we are concerned, the issues framed by them are in 2 parts.
Hmm.
In first category, my lord, we'll see our draft issues. In first category are the issues, issue number 1 and 2 are substantive. They're covered by pleadings as well as in the prayer. 1 and 2.
What is this?
So 1 and 2, so there is no difficulty whatsoever, and they are substantive issues.
No, this I have seen.
My lord, these are our draft issues.
Why don't you, why don't
Some
you file it?
deliberations would be required.
Hmm.
Some deliberation would be required in finalizing it, in settling it. Because Lordship will just see, I'm pointing it out. Issue number 1 and 2, my lord, covered in pleadings and in prayer, both. So absolutely no hassles. These issues are fundamental.
This
Now-
is, this issue number 1, draft issue number 1.
Yes,
No problem.
no problem, and 2
Then-
also no problem.
2 also no
No,
problem.
my lord, issues covered in pleadings, but not in prayer. Because in prayer, they have not raised these, specifically, these are not the grounds in the prayer.
Which one?
Issue 1, 2, 3, 4 in the second part. 1, 2, 3, 4. I won't be very technical, but then, Lord,
No,
I
no,
have to-
you said 1, 2 is no issue, no problem.
But the thing is, not in the prayer, because they are not seeking, in the prayer, they are not seeking quashing of the election on these grounds. Pleadings are there, yes. But in prayer, that is not the prayer. Prayer is not under 101B. 101B and 98B. So these are the grounds actually. 101B3, the ground that is not there in the prayer. They are not seeking a declaration that the election be declared void on this ground. No prayer is there. So anyway, I have to look into it. Some. Oh, my lord, I think, my lord, yes, this is, my lord, actually, I hope Lordship has taken mine.
Which one?
No, I have given mine to lordship, but this is yours, sir.
Oh, whether our issues are, my lord, our issues are in the file.
Yes, I've seen your
Okay,
issue yesterday.
So there are these are the 2 categories.
Ah.
So some deliberation is required, my lord. I have to apply and I will look into their issues also. Some application of mind is necessary.
Why unnecessary? Why don't you
then-
have a concerns on the issues, at least draft issues? I request both of you. It's a matter of trial.
All right, so Milord, could it be?
Lordship,
could
even
it
if
be the short
Lordship,
date?
No, it's okay. Let it.
Could it be Milord on 20th of June?
2-0.
2-0. I am coming in any case. So
I request both
I
of
will
you have
compare the two. I'll
compare it
compare the
better.
two and
I
settle.
mean,
Because I have seen just now, I'll compare the two and I would try to arrive at unanimity.
unanimity.
Yes.
We'll frame the issue on that day.
I'll sit
Yes,
with
Kapil.
I'll
It's
sit
better.
with- and
Let us
20th
not
June,
have
both of
a,
us.
debate and on this.
I mean,
uh,
both of us will sit
You have
together.
filed
and
it.
we'll-
You filed it.
actually I have handed over to the court. I can file it, Lordship. I can file it.
Let him file today. You have received
Okay, I'll
this
file it.
draft,
Yes, yes,
because he has already filed.
Okay, Lordship.
Normally he has filed. So we'll say that draft issues have been filed by the
Yes.
parties. List for on
One
27
more thing.
for
Production of original document is also today's the date. So Milord, we have filed the original documents. Now, as per the practice, so far as civil courts are concerned, Milord, when the original documents are filed, they are compared and returned. Because otherwise, Milord, if the documents are misplaced, they are original documents, then there would be a problem. So far as the Honorable Court is concerned, Milord, here certainly, my Lord, we should not do such an exercise of comparing the documents. Registry may do it. And after comparison, Milord, the original documents may be returned. And at the time of swearing in evidence, the again document will be brought before the Honorable Court.
So in that case, what should be?
So, Milord, the Lordship may instruct the registry to compare the document and give a note that compared and find correct
Okay.
and found correct.
Then we'll first we'll pass this order first.
Because as is, along with the original documents, even the Xerox copies of those very documents are also submitted. So, for example, in the written statement, there was a specific page of the newspaper, but under the Evidence Act, entire newspaper is to be produced. So this time we have brought the entire newspaper. There are total 3 newspapers. So all that will be there. Registry will compare it and will return the documents. And naturally, as per the admissibility, because when the evidence will be recorded, documents again will be placed.
Then we'll record this first. Heard Mr.
DJ Kapil, Lordship.
DJ Kapil for the petitioner and Mr. PKT Lalit Senior Counsel assisted by Mr. Swenso. RL Tumal for respondent. Parties have submitted their draft issues.
Yes.
Which shall be considered on 29. 2006-2025. Which shall be considered and framed on 26. Will frame that?
Settlement. On the court.
We will say that frame or settlement.
Settlement of issues. As per the expression used in the CPC.
Yes. No. And
My Lord,
have
fix the date for settlement
submitted
of issues.
their respective draft issues, which shall be settled on 20th so and so.
Okay,
and so.
And
Then
Lordship may instruct the registry to compare the original documents with the.
and who both of you have filed the original document.
Yes, Lordship, we have filed, but Lordship, we have around 27 or 28 annexures in our election petition, Lordship.
We'll say that
Of
the
which
parties
only-
have also filed the original documents along with
Along with the photocopies,
photocopies.
because photocopies are there already in the statement.
No,
The-
now you have filed all the original also
Again, exhaustive.
along with the photocopies.
Lordship,
The
if I may
registry
please.
to compare and what verify.
Compare, verify and
Compare,
give it score.
verify and it give its oath. And should I say return?
Yes.
The original.
Naturally,
Yeah,
otherwise it may not
return,
be safe.
return the original.
If, because gun licenses are there in original, if they are lost, there would be a problem.
Just make it compulsion.
Lordship,
Yes,
May-
you just website to compare, verify, and compare and return it.
May I submit only one thing, Lordship?
Yes.
In our case, Lordship, there are 27 annexures, Lordship, of which, Lordship, only one is
Whatever
original
is
witness.
there,
That I have submitted, Lordship.
after the compare and all these things, the
Yes,
details.
We have to call for it.
We have to call for it during evidence, Lordship.
Yes.
So the whatever original is there, I have submitted, Lordship.
List. The matter on 20.
Obliged.
Because on that day, your lordship has also fixed a contract case, I guess, for hearing, so I have to come.
Hello,
Mr. Dash will be coming that day.
I cannot tell you in the open call.
Lordship also knows it.
I'm just on letter note. Hello, please. Yes.
Yes, your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of petitioner. Here, your lordship, service has already been completed, your lordship. Lordship, service
Service?
has already completed earlier, but we have read
Affidavit
before.
on completion of service. 5, 4, 5, whatever 6.
All completed, your lordship, on,
May my lord.
You filed the affidavit.
yes, I filed the affidavit.
Dusty,
Yes.
May my
Dusty.
lord.
you are appearing.
I am appearing for respondent number 6. Your
6.
Honor, yes. Your Honor, I may be allowed to file.
Petitioner Mr. A. Bhattacharya.
Yes, sir.
Bhattacharya. London. Bhattacharya or Bhattacharya?
But a charge.
Bhattacharya. As well, the file affidavit with regard to the proof of justice service upon respond number 4, 5, and 7. Mr. Service in respect of, according to service in respect of respondent 4, 5, and 7. Services in respect of service 4, 5, and are complete. Mr.
Titagu.
Titagu, learned counsel for the respondent number 6 and MS Swenson are present. You have filed the affidavit.
No, not yet.
Your lordship, I would like to make small prayer because it is almost going to be a year. It was filed on 8th of
Further
August. So
3 weeks time,
last
it
chance may be
granted to
given
the
for filing
respondents
affidavit.
to file affidavit. Who has filed the affidavit?
Only respondent 1 and 2, your lordship. Rest
You have
have
filed.
not yet filed, your lordship. Last chance may be given.
Who? To whom?
2 and 1 and 2 have filed. Rest have not filed, your lordship. Till then, it is almost
There is
8 months.
Respondents number 3 to 7.
1, 2 have filed. 3 to 7 have not yet
3
filed.
to 7 are granted for the 3 weeks time to file their respective affidavits. Affidavit in respective affidavit in opposition. Yes.
Much obliged.
Yes,
Much obliged.
next.
My lord, I'm challenging a transfer order on the ground that I'm retiring shortly, madam, until 31st March, 31st June of this month, madam, I'm retiring. But
What's there?
my lord, that's why this hardly few days, my lord.
Huh? Allowed. Okay.
Because within 1 year, no.
Heard Mr. Titagu. Titagu, learned counsel for the petitioner. Where is the order?
My lord, orders at page 29, my lord.
Page 29.
Impugn order.
You are co-starrer.
Yes, my lord.
You are retiring.
My lord, retiring 31st March,
This
June,
31st
this
June.
31st. And I have not
This is
completed my normal.
31st or what?
My lord, this is for transfer, my lord. This is
No, this 31st.
31st
is
June
not-
is my retiring, my superannuation, my lord.
30,
This is retiring on this last of this.
that's why I'm asking. June is 31st or what? It's 30th only.
30th, sorry, my lord, extremely sorry. 30th.
And Mr. Estepin, London Counsel for the London Senior Government Advocate for all the respondents,
1 and 2.
for respondent 1 and 2. Who is non-APS for respondent number 3, right?
My lord,
Service is complete or what?
My lord,
Service in respect number is still awaited.
my lord, it seems because their interest is when it's they aware of this fact when we have taken a statement.
None appears for the. No, it's okay. Although the service in respect of respondent number, a notice in respect of respondent number 3 is not served. Is not served, considering the nature of the order. This court would, considering the case of considering the present issue and the order that would be passed today in this writ petition, this matter is taken up in the absence of respondent number 3, which would not have any, which would not cause any prejudice to the respondent number 3, right? By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged the impugned order of transfer and posting dated 15/10/2024, passed by the Principal Secretary, within bracket PWD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, whereby the petitioner, there is stay order.
There's a stay order, my lord.
There is sorry, it's sought to be transferred from transfer from Balijan PW subdivision to Longding division.
Longding division.
Longding division. Longding PWD division. Who is respondent?
My lord, respondent number 2 is private respondent, my lord. Serial number.
And his place, the respondent 3 is sought to be transferred. What is your ground?
The ground is, my lord, before completion of normal tenure, my lord, hardly 1 year, my lord, posted Balijan from Lepuriang. And within this period, before expiration of normal tenure, my lord, I have been sought to be transferred to the Longdon division. That when I'm retiring, hardly 8 months, my lord. In the month, that is retiring on 30 June, my lord. And that on the basis of the
Mr. T. Tagum, counsel for the petitioner, submits that the impugned order of transfer of the petitioner is not sustainable for the simple reason that the petitioner has been sought to be transferred from Balijan PW subdivision to Longding division within a period before completion of 1 year.
Yes,
and
hardly.
that too, just 8 months before
retirement.
His retirement, which is
and
as per the
yes.
Is what why they are using
And ground for there's no administrative exigency, but on the request, the desire of the 2 MLA.
He further submits that there is no administrative exigencies in transferring the petitioner. Rather, it is only on at the behest of 2
local MLA,
local
MLA and Chiang Tajo MLA
of Doimuk and Sang Tajo.
Yes, ma'am.
This stuff. Therefore, he submits that, and he further submits that by now the petitioner would be retiring on
30 June
2025. And he having been allowed to continue at Balijan as assistant engineer, PWD. Assistant engineer. On the strength of, you have been allowed to continue.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Stay order passed by this court. Interim order passed by
Yes.
this court on
21 October 2024.
21/10/2024. Mr. Therefore, the impugn order may be set aside in request and he may be allowed to retire from the present place of posting, that is Balhijar. Mr. Estafin London, senior government advocate, senior government advocate submits that the claim, the basis of challenging the interim order, the impugn transfer order is on the guidelines regulating the on the circular regulating the transfer and posting, and also on the ground of being at the behest of two MLAs, at this stage, which would not have any enforceable, which would not have any enforceability and proof thereof, proof thereof, at this stage, since the petitioner would be retiring on 30/06/2025, it would be appropriate, this court may pass appropriate orders as it deem fit and proper in the facts and in the as agreed to by the learned counsel for the petitioner, and as agreed to by the having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties, and as agreed to by the in view of the fact that the petitioner would be retiring, who would retire on 30/06/2025 from his service, and he having been allowed to continue at Balijan PW subdivision on the strength of the interim order passed by this court on 21/10/2024. No issues required to be determined as to the claim, as to the grievance, as to the claims or grievance raised by the petitioner at this stage, at this point of time. Accordingly, the writ petition is closed. However, it is made clear that the petitioners shall be allowed to retire from the present place of posting, i.e. Balijan PWD division.
Subdivision. It's under Doimok division.
Consequently, the transfer and posting, the impugn order that is so and so in respect of petitioner and the respondents are set aside. We'll have to set aside. And the respondent authorities would liberty to pass a fresh order transferring any officer at Balijan PW subdivision in the interest of administrative exigency or public interest after the debiting of office and of the petitioner. That's all. Petition stands disposal. Continue it to. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, Your Lordship. This matter, AAG RS Nabam, he just left because due to some personal problem. He instructed me to.
No
attend this-
adjournment.
Yeah, petitioner is in leave, Your Lordship, letter of absence is given.
No. We'll see. He was there when the mention was made.
Yes, my lord.
I did not grant, this court did not grant time.
I'm not there, madam. I'm not in the Wakala number. I'm not in the Wakala number.
We'll allow you to argue. Give the second copy. Where is April Melo? Where is E-Melo? Where is E-Melo?
They are Teju, my lord.
We'll see. A few cases, nothing. Yes, what is this?
Sumoto case, my lord. Out of my lord, the writ petition. So therefore, my lord, better may be disposed of.
The Somoto case was initiated on 9/5/2025 and 19/5/2025. We have mentioned initially the Somoto was taken against.
Why this is listed for orders today?
Petitioner of the double efficient. Now.
Why this has been listed today for orders?
Oh, orders. Orders means for filing of the objection.
Have you filed? All of you have filed?
No,
How many
now
respondents? All filed?
No.
4 respondents. Only 4 respondents.
What about the others?
Others are not filed. And apart from that,
they are not interested.
No, there are 21 accused. And out 21 accused, we have issued notice to 11 accused. Now, we want to implead some more accused. That is 11 numbers.
You implead?
Whom we are not. These are the. Name of the accused, whom are to be impleaded as accused, and as to why their bail should not be cancelled. The name of the accused has been detected from the order dated on 15/3/2025.
Mr. Will allow you to implead and issue your notice.
And notice be issued through the special judge. No, because the matter is under trial. So she knows all the address.
Mr. M. Particularly senior counsel, standing counsel for the Guwahati High Court.
Guwahati High Court, standing counsel, Guwahati High Court.
By submitting the why in handwritten?
No,
Mr. Mugbom, not
today, no, from record I have detected it.
Yes.
From record.
We were not furnished the records, my lord. It was just, we just had to see from the official.
No, after that you could have just got it time. By placing the list of accused. Mr. What that will be next para? And senior counsel submits that the following accused may be impleaded. Having considered the following accused are allowed to be impleaded in this proceedings. Namely, issue notice to the. This will be respondent number from where to where? Just wait. We're not passing anything. We cannot be disposed of the matter today.
The impleadment is not required at this stage.
No, let us see. You are not representing the other accused. Yes.
However, my lord.
Impleaded, is allowed to be impleaded as respondent number so and so. Where is the address?
That's why regarding that. All the
You take
address and everything is known by the
Issue
trial
notice to the newly impleaded respondents. You just find out which number of,
My lord, may be routed to
where
a
is it?
special court.
Which shall be routed through the registry, routed through the registry to the, routed through the
UPA special court.
special judge,
Special judge.
UPA. Special judge POXO, na?
Yeah, UPA.
UPA. Then who else have filed the objection? Mr. Mr. T at the London TP is also is present. Mr.
I'm representing one.
No, who else have filed?
We have filed.
You have also filed.
No.
If you are not don't want to file, it's okay.
Bamang Moses, Debiat Tara, Missy Tabin, Sandar Ronya.
The four of them,
Four
five.
person have filed their objection petition.
It is submitted that Mr. So and so, whoever, sir, Mr. T. Tagum.
For Davyatara.
Huh?
I'm for Malab Davyatara.
Counsel
Respond
for
number 3 most probably.
respond number 3, whoever. You just keep checking game. Comma, Mr. Respond number. You just find out, Mr. This K30, counsel for respond number 2, and Mr. For respond number 7. Then one more. J sitting for respond number 6. You have filed the affidavit. Have submitted that they have filed their objection. They have already filed their objection. Mr. You not file.
I am.
Okay.
Mr. I am for the respondent number.
The M. Kato, counsel for respondent number 1, and then
Respondent number that is Jamlo Tangu.
comma
Jamlo Tagu. Purnima.
A.K. Singh, counsel for respondent number.
Exactly respondent number.
You find out and give the name whom you are, and
I'll provide the name.
who else, sir?
Vicky Pange has been appointed amicus curiae.
Absolutely. 4 and 6. I have submitted that. Has prayed for and granted 2 weeks or 3 weeks. 3 weeks time to file their affidavit. As well as the remaining respondents. Granted 3 weeks time to file their respective objection. MS D. Tamuk landed counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Pangil is also present. List after 3 weeks. We'll see.
At least after 2 weeks.
3 weeks. Let us see, will be issuing notice. 3 weeks they make up.
My lord, record may be also called for your lordship. Record your lordship.
Why?
Your lordship,
If I
because
objection, we'll see thereafter.
okay.
Is it for cancellation of bail?
Cancellation of bail.
The will be cancel or what? No.
No, madam. Basically, the case is different, madam. So, madam, will take it for madam the cancellation, madam.
there is no provision as such under the code of the criminal procedure, madam, now BNSS, madam,
Hmm.
for madam, the cancellation of the bail by taking so moto, madam.
Hmm.
So therefore, madam, today, madam, if lordship allowed, madam, since lordship has already issued the notice, otherwise, madam, the other accused persons, the
That
consequence
will
of,
be questioning myself.
no, madam.
I'll be questioning the power of the taking suo motu. That I cannot decide. You'll have to approach Supreme Court. How do I decide my own decision? I mean,
Madam,
determine own decision.
madam, the
That is
other-
before we take a decision only will
Madam,
determine
let me tell
whether
you,
to take it or
True,
not.
true,
I mean, where to determine, decide or this whether.
that is one aspect, madam. Other aspect is, madam, the impleadment, madam, regarding, madam, only, madam, therefore, madam, the lordship has already issued the notice in respect of.
We'll see, we'll see. May not be necessary also. We'll see, let them come because it's a suo motu. And we feel that it may be at this stage fair to hear them also. All right. Well, what you're trying to say is it in your case only it's the cancellation or otherwise has to be decided, not in other co-accused, not other accused.
Since
All are in bail on bail.
Yes, madam, we are on bail.
So same thing. Is not it?
Yes.
We look at how the special judge has, I mean, apply the power and the authority under the law. That's all. Their submission may be correct, but that will be before the Supreme Court, not before the court who has taken
Even,
the
madam, the other
cognizance.
first mediation of the court. of
Maybe
night,
different bench, but same court.
If lordship peruse the order passed by this honorable court on 9th May 2025, madam,
Yes.
it is very much clear
That
some, madam, admittedly, some, madam, the irregularities has been detected. But, madam, that is without perusing the record, madam. The court was on vacation from 23rd December 2024 to 3rd January 2025, madam. But wrongly, it has been, madam, recorded that there was no any order. The court was not sitting, madam. The presiding judge was on leave.
That is
from 19.
That is on perusal, but recorded merit we'll
Yes,
see.
So
far as the
small, madam, the
power to take
observation.
suo motu, you'll have to argue somewhere else above us in the hierarchy, not the authority. In the
Altogether,
hierarchy.
madam, the 30 to 36 paragraph this honorable court has mentioned. In each paragraph, madam, that is the, madam, the required to be answered properly, madam. But in that, madam, the order, that some wrong observation has been made
By whom?
madam, maybe on the record, madam.
Wrong observation by whom?
By the, madam, the
This court.
court, madam. Lower court, madam.
Okay.
In that, madam, that has also
Not
been
lower
wrongly-
court.
Lower
Supreme Court is very heavy.
trial court. madam.
Trial court.
But, madam, the court below has wrongly recorded even that, madam. It was, madam, completely a clerical mistakes on the part of the presiding officer, madam.
We'll have to address
But that
them.
will not bear, madam.
All of us have to address them.
Madam.
The district judiciary or the trial court, not lower court.
True, madam. We are habit of using this word.
I think this court, before it was decided by judgment, observation is made. I said because there was a
On the last
discussion,
Yes, Your
debate going on.
notification has also been issued.
The moment this court came to know all this discussion and debate, I said, not LCR, it
TCR.
should be
TCR.
TCR. And finally, there's an observation and the direction of the Honorable Supreme Court.
No, madam, in this case, procedural mistake has been done by the trial court or not, madam, that has to be only, madam, taken into consideration. If, madam,
Because reason is very simple.
reason is very
To
simple.
respect somebody, you will not lose anything.
Yes.
But if you insult somebody, you may lose something, even your dignity.
At the time of filing bail application, my lord, copy has been duly served to the matter, the PP, duly served to the improvement complainant, my lord.
Okay, sir, we'll see. You file your objection.
And there's a matter of argument.
That's why he's arguing. We'll see. Okay.
Right.
List after 3 weeks. Huh? You find out don't make a mistake, the respondent number and all those things.
And for Gulag.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this item has come up for orders. A service has yet to be done.
What is to be done?
A service report says.
What service report?
Yes.
Heard Mr.
Lordship.
K.M. Mohan.
May I, Lordship?
K. Mahanta, Learned Counsel. for
May I,
Private
Lordship?
Service report, list after 3 weeks. All right.
Lordship. Lordship, I have filed my Wakalapnama, Lordship.
Okay.
I'm appearing, Lordship.
Just wait. So and so, so and so.
Lordship, I'll
Although
be.
the office note dated 10/06/25 to 2025 reflects that service report is still awaited. Mr. J. Counsel for responding. Learned Counsel entered appearance on behalf of respondent.
Sole respondent.
Lordship, I'll be filing preliminary objection in regards to their contention in their arbitration petition, Lordship.
Let this matter be listed after
1 week, Lordship. 1 week. 1 week, Lordship.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
So as to allow, so as to enable Mr. JZ to file objection, public response to the petition.
Very good.
Lordship, can we have a fixed date?
You are
Lordship?
here.
Lordship.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, Mr. Panging is appearing in this matter, my lord. May I pray that the matter may be taken up on Monday, this coming week, your lordship. Respondent number 6 has also filed.
What Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
Affidavit. I think pleadings are complete.
Yes, your lordship.
Pleadings are complete. And heard Mr. So Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
Yet to be completed, madam, because they have to file reply, madam.
Who?
To my affidavit in opposition. Petitioners.
Additional affidavit.
To my affidavit in opposition. They have not.
It's up to them how
Yes.
you push them. Pleadings are complete.
And then there is private respondent 7, which notice is not complete.
What is the notice?
My
What
lord,
about the notice?
we have taken dusty service upon respondent number 7, your lordship. And
You have taken?
Yes, your lordship. In that
You file affidavit.
Yes, your lordship. We have filed.
What it is?
I beg your pardon.
Anyway, in that case, we'll say on the prayer of MSD Learned Counsel for the petition. List this matter on
Monday, your lord.
16th.
On Monday, your lordship.
Monday 16.
Monday 16th.
Oh, yes. 16th, your lordship.
Mr. Jitar Learned Standing Counsel for
1 to 5.
RWD.
Yes.
RWDN.
And for private 6. Private respondent.
Who else are there?
There's a private respondent number 7, your lordship, but then we have alleged no
And
allegations.
Mr. B. Picha, Learned Counsel for Respondent 6 are present.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Your lordship, before coming to my IA, your lordship.
IA is for what?
I
For vacation of interim order.
Ah.
Lordship, as per the previous order, I filed the objection, affidavit yesterday, but it could not be filed yesterday due to paucity of time. So it is.
Have you received the objection?
This morning only.
It is not in the file, Lordship.
It's for the last order.
No, since he has already filed, you have received it.
Yes, today only.
We'll list
On
after a week.
20,
Your
Lordship.
lordship,
A fixed
today
date.
matter may be disposed of.
20, Lordship.
No.
19.
Tuesday.
Your lordship, I have not
Lordship,
read, I may be take up you.
What is the matter?
Is it regarding transfer in posting, your lordship?
Transfer and posting.
What is there?
Your lordship, kindly fill the.
Will not vacate. Affidavit has been filed.
Yes, file, but it is not in the file.
Huh?
It is not in the files.
Affidavit to
Yes.
the writ petition.
No, Lordship, not filed.
Your lordship,
We have to file. In IA, the pleadings is complete.
For IA, Your Lordship.
Why wait for you? Why it is you two, you have transferred it, why you have not filed IA?
Mistake in the.
We are not concerned about who he is, obviously a beneficiary.
Your Lordship, may I humbly pray I may take up to the Your Lordship. Just a small matter, Your Lordship.
No, I am thinking of dispose of the entire matter.
Yes.
Your Lordship.
Are you ready?
Yes, Your Lordship. That
No,
can be done also.
This petition.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Affidavit has to be filed by them because there is a notification.
Government
Who has transferred, who has passed the MP order?
Secretary.
So,
There was a mistake because he was designated as APRA, otherwise he is not an APRA. So by notification, we have absorbed all the DRD appeals. But in the notification, his designation has been given as APRA. Otherwise, he is a technical assistant, which is in equivalent of JE. Now, APRA is in equivalent post of AE. So we made a clarification and we have subsequently again issued amended notification. Now by date virtue, he has been given the post of TA again. So now it is the interim order was only for that he has been designated as APRA in the first notification.
which has been rectified later.
Yes, rectified.
Then,
Yes, rectified, but there is, we don't have privy to that notification. They have to file. We have not.
well, you are not entitled to for that, the post.
That's why entire case will be taken up.
No,
120.
you were originally what?
Originally, I am technical assistant IWDP. And he is extension officer RE. Neither he is APO nor I am APO. I have been given a look after charge since last from the year 2022.
Yes.
Or 2020. I am looking after the charge of APRA. And since APRA is not a post created by the RD department, it was a post of DRDA. Now DRDA has been merged into RD by notification dated 2024. So all the post of DRDA has been merged into RD. Now there are altogether 16 APOs of sanction post is 16 APOs, and none of the APOs are regularized while serving in DRDA. The RTI discloses very clearly that none of the APO, and there is no RR also for APO. So they are selectively saying that these are the APOs and these are not APOs. That is my case, Lordship. That's why we have to look at the entire thing. So
no, entire thing you are. It's not, you want to be what?
I was.
What is the impugn order? Let us see.
It is in page number 63 of the petition, Your Lordship. Impugn order.
What affidavit you have filed? Who are you? Which department?
Deputy Commissioner.
Who has passed the order?
RD, Secretary RD.
Yes, page
63 is the impugn order. Of the petition.
Yes. In persons the government order so and subsequent approval for deputy commissioner for other distribution.
And notification that notification is in
BEORE in its own grade and scale of pay in addition
Yes,
to
Lord.
normal
That is the case.
BEORE CD blocked by him. Yes. What's wrong here?
No, Lordship. I was transferred as APO from COME to Leparata. And I was holding.
Where you have been allowed now?
Lordship, that is.
Where is your transfer? To Leparada.
Coming to that, Lordship.
He is now at Leparada.
Leparada only.
Age what?
As APRE.
We have clarified. Now he is here.
Lordship, there is no APRE as regular APRE in the department. My learned friend is, I think he has to clarify.
No, it's okay. He's also not APORE.
No one is APRE.
He's
on regular basis.
EORE.
Yes.
CD block. He has been allowed to hold the charge. In addition, his what's there?
Then where will I go, Lordship? Because I am TI.
You remain as a TA.
That has to be clarified in the order.
It is.
We'll clarify. We'll make it clear.
Yes,
You don't have to. You don't have to hold the charge of the.
Entire case will be taken.
APREO.
Entire case will be disposed.
Where is your this thing?
Lordship.
You want to hold the charge of APRE?
Yes, yes.
Why? How?
Because I am looking after. Because
you are allowed to look
come
after.
from
Now
DRD.
he has been assigned to
I
him.
come from DRD with the post.
Huh?
With the post.
He is not a APO.
No, what is the
He cannot
basis
hold
of
that post.
APRO? Just wait. You are also not APRE.
No.
So
No, Your Lordship, I'm senior to him, Your Lordship.
doesn't make it. What is the rule that you senior should be given?
No, it is not there, but
There?
Your Lordship, Your Lordship.
Equally, you are not right.
You-
Why just said it is an assignment of duties by the authorities.
Yes.
Neither you have the indivisible right nor the petitioner.
May I please, Your Lordship? The basic
The balance is that he has been allowed to hold
Initially.
for
Initially,
4 years.
4 years.
22, 23, 24,
2020.
25.
2020.
3 years.
5 years.
So give him a chance.
Lordship, I'm not on that. It's upon the authority.
Where is your appointment as APRE?
Lordship,
Page 18, madam, of the writ petition.
page 18.
And you have been appointed on
At that
the
time,
note of the MLA.
yes,
Eh?
yes, Lordship.
He is seeking for the look after charge of APRO. You are not also clean.
Your Lordship, may I please, Your Lordship? The basic contents of the writ petitioner. is
Forget
that-
about this. What is your right? You talk about your right. Page 18. Approval to look up the charge of, no. You give him a chance.
That's why, Lordship. On 20th.
Monday,
Your
we'll
Lordship,
give you a chance we'll- and decide the entire matter. Monday.
Lordship, not on Monday. Then
Monday, sorry. Tuesday. You come up, if you cannot file by Monday, affidavit, bring the, written instruction on that basis we'll do it. How you are, you tell us also how these charge and all these things are given,
Yes,
on what basis? These things also you clarify. If you cannot file it, I think, you talk to the officer, file it by Monday. Tuesday we'll take up the matter.
okay, Lordship. Okay.
We'll dispose of the entire matter on Tuesday, right?
Yes.
Or Mr.
I want.
No, we'll say, case action in writ petition, huh? Learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. B. Pitcher for learned standing counsel for RD and MS P. Sangeeta, State Counsel for respondent number 3 and Mr. I. Bam for respondent number
5 Your Lordship.
5. Huh? Considering the matter, having considered that the matter pertains to transfer and posting, by allowing the respondent number 6 to hold the charge of APO RE of Leparada district, the learned standing counsel for RD, Mr. B. Pitcher, is granted 2 days time to file affidavit. You talk to her, get the clarify it by Monday. You file it. By Monday, huh? To file what I said. No, is granted. A 2 days time to file affidavit. List of the legislative council shall file the affidavit by Monday, by 16. If not,
17, by 17, so that matter can be set on 18.
18
18 is Wednesday.
by 7. No, the affidavit shall be filed by 17/06/2025.
Matter may be listed on,
And-
Your Lordship, 20.
The letter may be listed on 18.
Your Lordship, can you, 20.
Why?
Your Lordship, on 18, I have them preoccupied.
That's what, 20 minutes.
20 we have picked so many matters. Then it is after
Small
20.
No, Your Lordship, then on the 23rd, Your Lordship.
What is 23rd?
Monday.
From Monday to next Monday, what is this? No, we'll take it up on 17th.
Yes, Your Lordship, that can be done.
You file in by Monday.
Yes.
If not, you bring with that written instruction. if you cannot file, we'll consider that. All right.
1780.
List the matter along with the, list the matter, the IA so and so be listed along with the writ petition. 17. Why transfer matter unnecessary? Huh?
Yes, Lordship. Obliged.
But careful, you have to be very, see, why you have got yourself, why you have got the order be passed in your favor at the behest of the MLA?
Your Lordship, there is no regular APO in the department.
He's there.
You know,
He has been allowed to hold
Your
the
Lordship,
charge.
he's not the APO.
He can be equally allowed to hold the charge in addition to his charge. It's not as simple as you take the matter. There are flaws, flip-flops. Take note of that. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yes. Why no verification report?
Lordship, this, they are not giving, but otherwise, Lordship, there is a notification already, Lordship. And then, Lordship, the petitioner's case is that he's, whereas in the notification is within 100,
See,
900, but then he is within 15 to 20 meters.
Looking at the angle of public interest, we direct you to have a verification. It's only one case. They say that there are so many. If there are so many cases, it is
this case
against the public safety also.
Yes, of course, Lordship.
That's the reason we direct you to direct the deputy commissioner to have a verification and place before this court so that we can
Complicated,
pass
but
an
then
appeal.
if the instruction is
See,
not forthcoming, Lordship.
one interest of the one person, I mean, we should give more weightage to the public interest rather than interest of the one person.
Lordship.
So that's the reason we have directed.
Yes,
On that day we heard.
I understand, Lordship.
been
Otherwise,
considerable time.
otherwise, my Lordship submission is that since
What is the
notification
problem
is,
in having a verification? Who else are encroaching, who are illegally constructing? That is the only you have to do. A matter of 1 hour only to verify the, I mean, up to 100 meters. 100 meters, right?
within 100 meters.
Within 100 meters, you have to verify that. So whether there is any, I mean, illegal construction and all. Because we concern about the safety of the public at large,
That's
not
true,
on
Lordship.
the
That's
individual
true.
right of property or something like that. So how do we know that? Because they have also pleaded, no, that some other persons are also constructing.
That's their allegation, but then Lordship. So far the petitioner is concerned, he is within 15 to 20 meters of the periphery as per the verification.
It is ground floor is allowed.
No, Lordship, this.
No construction, no, I mean, residence or any
Within, yes,
structure should be.
yes, within 100.
Then,
Within,
Lordship,
within
I
900.
leave it possible. I can assure your Lordship that there are many such buildings.
No,
I
no,
have
we're
been
not
targeted.
going to do that.
I have been targeted. That's why report is necessary, Lordship.
It's necessary, but this, Lordship, in the, in this
No, no,
matter,
forget
Lordship,
about.
this is not a PIL.
Suppose you are you are illegally occupying or you have constructed your house within the 100 meters, you have to go.
That I understand, Lordship. That I understand.
There is no way out.
Because there was
Others will
earlier
direct
I
them.
was allowed.
Others will direct them. We're dismissing your writ petition. And at the same time, we'll direct the deputy commissioner to evict those who are within the periphery of within 100 meters.
Then, Lordship, may I submit that the dismissal can be order can be passed before Mr. Tony Patil.
Huh?
Before Mr. Tony Patil tomorrow.
We don't know who is the only person when
Tomorrow.
hearing the matter today.
I will tell Mr. Patil that tomorrow it is fixed. Otherwise, they
You
are.
don't want to verify.
Lordship, actually is not.
Monday, we'll fix it Monday, we'll know further adjournment. Ask the deputy commissioner to have the officers to verify how many persons are, because it's,
Lordship, I understand.
we just
Otherwise-
know what is there, whether there's a encroachment or illegal construction within that thing. That's all.
Otherwise, they haven't met any private respondent.
It's all right. We'll direct them. We'll direct so that we can pass some direction to the deputy commissioner to evict them. Because suppose tomorrow, even if he's evicted, if others are not allowed, it will
In that
step
case,
in.
stadium-
But on that ground, we cannot allow him also.
Stadium will also go.
Huh?
There is stadium also.
No,
That-
that will
that
be,
we
that
don't
things will have a different safety and other thing.
No, it's attached with the wall.
Huh?
It's attached with the airport wall.
We are not concerned. That the safety
Okay, let's-
measure and all.
Monday-
But individual within 100 meters cannot be permitted.
That is true. That is true.
The safety of the people at large.
That is true.
Lordship, if it is, if I have to bring that instruction, Lordship, let it be on 24th.
20
Since this court will
Yes.
be there, because.
Will be no further adjournment.
Sure.
All right.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. Case action, learned counsel for the petitioner. Discord on zero 08 04. Sorry. No. When it was directed?
Lordship is.
110.
110, Lordship, 24.
2024.
Next one, NMSG heard, so it's NMSG at the London City Government. Book. You were there on that day.
Yes, Lordship. I have communicated.
Let us try to
already.
take some,
Communicated already.
uh,
I'll do it again.
it is court. Having considered the safety and security of the public at large, the deputy commissioner East Young District was directed to cause a proper verification of the entire area in the vicinity of advanced landing ground, passing a stuff. However, despite lapse of six months, no, 6 months, more than 6 months. And to place the verification report before this court, then despite lapse of, no, not this period, even after lapse of 6 months, and despite the communication being made by learned additional senior government to the deputy commissioner, no report has been placed, much less the verification. No verification report is placed, much less the verification, Considering above, a final chance is granted to the learned counsel, learned additional senior government advocate to place the verification report after causing verification of the said aforementioned area, clearly indicating the encroachers, clearly indicating the encroacher, if any, the encroacher and the illegal construction, if any, by the next date of listing. The list the matter on 24,
Yes, sir.
24/06/2024, 25. List of. It is made clear that no further time will be granted.
Okay, sir.
Ensure that you talk to them.
Yes, sir.
over the
Lordship,
phone.
I'll make a phone call also along with the communication.
Obliged.
Yes.
Much obliged.
What is the matter?
Here, your lordship, the petitioner lodged a complaint before the Director General of Police against Lady Inspector, your lordship, who's entering into marriage with her husband and requests to initiate departmental disciplinary procedure.
Which correspond number 5? Notice has been served. Okay, notice served. So,
I'm praying for an adjournment on behalf of DK Deoriban. On behalf of DK Deoriban.
what do you want?
What
What is to be done?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
When the list is published, 1 day before. This cause list. No, no. Normally, list is published 1 day before. Matter is listed for hearing today, Mr. Herbert. Neither Mr. DK Deori, learned counsel for the petitioner, nor the Additional Advocate General for Mr. Aris Nabam, learned counsel. Learned counsel on submits that he has been requested to make a mention for adjournment of the matter on behalf of Mr. Dick Learned Counsel for petitioner and Mr. M.S.P. Pangu, Learned State Counsel, also prayed that matter be listed after prayed for adjournment of matter on the ground of Mr. Aris Nabam, learned Additional Advocate General, had to leave the court premises due to personal difficulty. Mr. Considering about this, although this court is not inclined to grant and to inclined to adjourn the matter, however, considering that the learned counsel's are not represented. However, on the prayer of proxy counsel of the parties, let this matter be listed. After 6 weeks. 6 weeks.